Okay, this video is going to explain to you how to use ezbib.com to create your citation. So first go to ezbib.com. When you get there, click the button that says I only want to create citations. On this screen, for source type, make sure you scroll down and select magazine, and then you're going to want to click manual cite. From there, the article title was Back from the Dead. The author's name was Mara Grunbaum. The magazine title was Science World. It was published September 2nd of 2013, and we gave you all of this information in class. I believe it was pages 9 to 11, but I'm not certain, so make sure you double check that with the article we gave you in class, and then you would click Complete Citation. At that point, you will scroll down and highlight the citation. You're going to copy it, go to your document, your paper that you typed, and you will paste it at the bottom of the page. You will need to make sure you change the font to make sure it matches the formatting that's necessary for class, so Times New Roman 12-point font, and there you're set. That's it.